Hello and good day, friends. My name is Landon with Flaman Trailers. Right beside me I have a Royal Cargo LT sled trailer. These things are loaded with several features. I'm gonna dive in, take a look on why you need to get up one of these bad boys. Up front, adjustable 2 5/16 Demco coupler, Artic Flex wiring. Advantage of the Artic Flex is that cable will not freeze up and get super stiff like your standard one does. You'll also notice there are propane tanks. This unit is insulated and heated. It's a 40,000 BTU furnace, full insulation wrap, keep you warm and toasty when you need to take a break. Flooring of this unit is a 3/4 inch plywood floor with a 3/8 wall. The poly bead floor adds longevity, increases life, resiliency to what you may put inside the trailer. Moving on back, you will have fuel doors. When you get to the station, your truck's filled up but your sleds aren't. Pass that nozzle through, fill them up, you're ready to rock and roll. Aluminum wheels are an option, but this one does have it. Gives you a really nice sleek look. 6K spring axles, lots of capacity, side-by-sides, cars, sleds, man, you name it. Moving on back to the rear, stabilizer jacks is what these are gonna do. Create less stress on your vehicle. When you're not hooked up, drop those down so the rear end of the trailer does not jack up. The ramp door has a mid-span of 2,600 pounds. It also has a beaver tail in there, so if you're loading a car, a bit of a lower angle, helps you to load those low vehicles. And on the inside here, you're gonna have some LED light strips, as well as a RV door and cam latch. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or want to inquire about a Royal Cargo trailer or any other trailers we sell, please contact flaman.com or visit your local Flaman dealer. Thanks and make it a great day.